you've got a very interesting, I think, what marketing people would call a tagline. Yours is repairing lives, as it says, and restoring families.
Yeah.
What do you mean by that?
Yeah. So we know the individuals that are coming to meet with us. Like the way we would categorize them, we say they're drowning, because they're coming in. They wouldn't show up if they had their stuff together. Mm-hmm. So they're coming in saying, "I don't have anything." 70% of them don't have a job. So 70% don't even have an income that are walking through the door.
Okay.
And they're saying, I need something. I need help. I need to get just to the level of survival. And I also know that 54% of our clients have one or more children. So we're going, man, how do you impact the families in Northwest Arkansas? You invest in the parents. And so that's what we do every day. We invest in the parents of these children so that they can become self-sustaining, so that their children have the services provided that they need, if it's food or, transportation to get to school or whatever that may be. We have the access to impact the family in a huge way.